Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to demonstrate how you can record your mobile screen on the computer and using Chrome OS for these demonstrations. So you can use Mac or even Windows PC both. You just require a Chrome extension by Issued. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it properly or not, but it's by Issued Chrome Web Store. You can just get it from the Chrome Web Store. This trick is actually paid one, but you can get it with ads for free. Just note the link. Oh, I'm sorry, I just close my control. Let me erase one. Yeah. So yeah, as I was saying, this is a great trick, but you can get ads in between, and you need to get rid of the ads. Then you need to get a license for that. You have to pay. I'm not taking any type of license for this. And just for this demonstration, I'll just pay trial version. As you can see, the Chrome extension has found already installed. Let me set the description. Yeah, the whole overview is here. You can read out the versions and everything, which are the new things which they fixed. It got updated regularly. The base trick I already told. So what you have to do, just click on install button, which is highlighted in the blue mark over there. I have already installed, so it just asks me to launch the app. Once it's done, just launch the app, and you can find few information over here. You have to get a license, you can register or sign in with this. First thing you need to do is find my device. Let's find devices. Yeah, the most important thing is you need to enable USB debugging to get your device here. So for that, I hope you all know how you can enable this debugging in developer options. Don't know? I'll show you later. So firstly, you need to download an app, the same app to your Android phone for issue for mobile application. For that, just open your Play Store, and yeah, you can see the ads are popping up here. This is really annoying when you are getting any area. Yeah, just install it and open. And this app will only guide you how you can enable debugging options in your phone. So my screens are little poor because I am recording screen and my computer screen both together. That's why sorry for that. As you can see, the app is only guiding how you can enable debugging options in your mobile phone. Just go to settings and you'll find developer options, and over there you need to enable debugging USB. So you need to enable the debugging option. You need to tap 5 times the real number. I am already enabled it. It states no need to do blah blah blah. So that's it. It's too simple to record your screen without any software. You can do lots of things with this. That's my Fitbit. I love Fitbit. Love Fitbit. They love it. So guys, thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you so much. Have a good day.